guys, today I'm working on a 12 by 16 canvas and I'm going to be doing another review of the Arteza paints. I had some cracking with my other two videos, so I'm trying something different with this one. And the colors that I'm going to work with today, I've got ultramarine blue, I've got lemon yellow, titanium white, and crimson red. And I changed up my mixture a bit today. I normally use Liquitex, floetrol, and water, and when I mixed these ones up, I used floetrol only and water, just a little bit of water. So hopefully that is what's going to be the game changer here. So I'm just going to do another flip cup, and let me get my gloves on and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've got my cup here. I'm just going to go ahead and put some white in the bottom. And I'm not going to add any silicone to this because I just want to try to get a painting without cracking first. And then we'll go from there. So now I do have some air bubbles in these paints. I didn't really let them sit long enough, I don't think, but as long as there's no cracking, I think I'll be good. A little bit more red. And a little bit more white. Okay, so I got my cup. I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna flip it on. Ooh. Well, I did get some cells. I don't know, I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Not sure if you can see those. Already right through here. It's kind of cool. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and lift it. And of course I got a bunch of air bubbles, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in so you can see. It's kind of cool. I've got a bunch of cells going on there. Alright, so I am going to put some white around the edges here. Alright guys, so I wanted to add a little bit of white around there just to keep it, hopefully help keep it from pulling itself under. So, we'll see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take you in for a close-up. I really like these colors, the pigment in these colors is so nice. I got all these natural cells, and I really wasn't aiming for cells at all because I'm just trying to figure out the cracking issue. But I got all those cells, and I got this cool lacing through here, if you can see that. Oh my gosh, I love lacing, so I'm super excited to get that. And just look at how these colors blended together. Okay, so fingers crossed that this one dries nice and there's no cracking. All right, so I will be back when it's all dry. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry, and as I zoom in, you can see all the cracks. So I'm still getting cracking, and I emailed Arteza and have been in contact with them from the beginning, and they emailed me back and said that they thoroughly tested the paints and that there's not an issue with them. So I'm not really sure what's happening. I have literally done hundreds of paintings and have had 3 crack. So not really sure what's going on, but I do have a few more ideas. So I'm gonna do a couple more things. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.